Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're starting now? Install Audio Manager, hide app, and open it. Grant storage, notifications, and accessibility access. These let the app alter icons and launch targets. Once done, make a quick backup of the app settings to avoid repeating work. This saves time if you test multiple profiles. Do not skip permissions. Without accessibility, the hiding feature won't work. You'll see a first-run wizard. Follow it only to the point where permissions are confirmed, then move straight to profile creation. Open Profiles and tap New Profile. You'll add the target app by selecting it from the list, then choosing Hide as the action. This removes its launcher entry and prevents direct opens. Next, configure a trigger. Set a PIN, a gesture, or use a fake audio tile so the app appears as a sound control. Once configured, toggle the profile on. This design isolates the app while keeping it runnable through the secure trigger, which is why you pick a memorable but private trigger. Now test, reboot your phone, confirm the app icon is gone, and use your chosen trigger to open the hidden app. Make sure to lock the profile settings and export a config file so you can restore it later. If the app fails to hide after an Android update, reopen Audio Manager and regrant accessibility or notifications permission. If that fails, clear the Audio Manager cache and reboot. One solid tip: always test after updates. Permissions often reset, and that's the usual cause of visible apps.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.